happen. Several students and here they will defer or more exams and as a semester course. That is the question to be answered by authorities of KNUST. Dr. Norris Bequin, a University Relations Officer. Hi, Akoma 87.9 FM, 15 minutes to hit 8. We need to do another Kofi Asante. Dr. Anope, correct, sir?
All correct, Kofi Asante.
Senior, Meteo Nkacho.
Misha, now, where?
And I'm Yadom, said
Akoma FM.
Mona, mudid me a bidi. Now, I'm getting a very disturbing report from KNUST. Say several students, more than 70% are here this year. They will be deferring for the semester. DNSC.
Oh, but 70%.
And yet that alarming.
No. KNUST total population, student population, I broke 100,000.
Okay.
It is base or addition for base
Akoma FM
base 700 and 800 or more said far addition serious now over schools also won't register courses one register course if say call University of Ghana say with school fees or say at the beginning of the semester so just full fees and son of register. Yeah, over the years, it's me acquiring sell school no bit me school fee ma percentage, reasonable percentage in which year. Now I register our courses. It be pretty now because
Akoma FM.
In penny for the Biana, we are looking at this with human face, very different of human face. It's ma in Kolani be taking yama for granted. It is I perceive who or more or more school for. You pay or more or more name keke. Oba when your student also the name their way with school. It is academic board.
That's a over position. I think like breaky.
Yeah, what do you mean?
I think it's a bit okay.
It's a academic board decision. Last academic board decision is we use school that's a one register courses and 70% of fees. Now it is a 1 year card will say over 2 hours this year.
Intimated your working and I just said the problem is many of the students in their own fees.
And not the full fees.
Yeah, the required part payment. There's
part payment or
qualify for registration.
Very good.
Akoma FM.
They bring so and register on courses crap.
Okay.
Name Kofi. Let me say in February more and I say March. Yes, that extensive education and I say information. Yeah, through text messages to all the students. I almost use to the schools. Phones. If I a student, I amount special mobile phone number. If you put that phone, it is sending messages. Yes, I electronic flyer. That will be encouraged and the courses for free registration.
Akoma FM.
Who register our courses free? May who say okay, we have X number of students. In student okay university. Bebre anye and the summer and so. Afi the summer almost 1 month grace period. Say Obia went to me and register the courses on Kononkoye Sadieno. Now untia 70% of school fees. Now after the whole exercise, this year we do middle of the semester. Nyame aduma enne ye sha here with mid semester. It is all your school ni that's a one register of course. Now,
Akoma FM.
When you're 70% of school fees now, like I said, 1 year crowd is over to this.
Now, when you say a school fees in a warning, Scasam Naya Dio cream.
Kofi, as a me near man colony school for a year, at the school fees in a year, won't be drew. Won't be drew. The school fees, school fees now for now or their koto uba. The Uba, where school fees in Kakranka.
About almost the school fees in the top
Akoma FM.
Pepe.
Hey,
Ebi Eddie Koye mybed.com.
Ebi no mu di kotwa ba bed.
Koye bakery. Ebi kura ko sati a bakery. Or two brodo. Cake, ton.
Maybe Sanyama when you just a mere speculation and answer more evidence to the facts.
We have done extensive investigation.
Hey,
I mean, so Kofi, Mame can say me so. When you say you school Nibia or you foreign student or local pool. Now,
Akoma FM.
Why JJ school fees? Tebia or Banu Ababe class stories. And I mean, me, a yari, me papa, I see. It's not we don't just school fees. No, just say we see bakery kakra. Ye kumasi.
Hey,
or two brodo. Now, or one crofwa or more marketing. And so, once a business goes into one person who be can be at the fees. It is do baby. Now I say, school penny for year no. Say, the person a new mammy casa. Or so, and food and cook. Say, yeah, who say any break. And
Akoma FM.
Okoyi $10,000 each year. Now we can for 10 years.
hey,
Now we can't. It's not nam school name. Oko school. We need to see ano ye break. Ye mpese ye be massa kwan na you kola ni school fees no di agro because and one ye dey run school no.
yeah. Wow.
School. Electricity bill like here. Water bill. Any kikahona and that's him.
But the interesting bit is what I'm surprised. Say
Akoma FM.
To bakas ne by bet the minimum say you know a sports bet in the boys no omo pa sabi ye nyina we running some of these institutions and you chacha phones akese ankwala no beto kura use no at the end of the day you have no idea when they are still owing fees. But how bad is this affecting?
Kofi Pacho say over around KNUST. I mean, so who call some of the hostels now? Who cars are parking or
hold
say be wow, you do my crown to me to.
Say be a bit of a
Oh, Jai, Kofi Jai.
Students now.
Akoma FM.
Kofi Jai. Obuska. And I be brave so.
Hey,
okay, we are here. Okay, some of the Uber cars are around the school in most of them. About 70 to 80% is school for there.
wow.
It will be who say Uber no. They say and person be man crying ebia na ye block on say. Ye person cars be far see akwasi and commercial cars in be far some route. Not where ye the student is ID card no. No they are true.
So a student.
Oh, a student. What did I make an answer? It is
Akoma FM.
Adi omoye. Sebi ye nsi obi an kwan say ya na eche entrepreneurship.
Yeah.
And also
portable.
Oh yeah, dear na. I say who say
entrepreneurship at the expense of your education there, of course, is very serious.
It's good. Now so I say who say first thing, the reason why you came to school, no, say you want to finish school, acquire knowledge, get your required certificate, and go to the place of work. Now, I say, who you come now? So, what do you wow with the certificate? Be entrepreneurship, and I say, what be business? Now, be successful. Then there's no problem with it.
Akoma
But
FM.
now, so the school must run, Kofi. The school must run. Electricity. When you go to lectures, you need electricity to be able to power all the gadgets that we have installed in the classrooms. Without electricity, we cannot teach because we are using PowerPoint. We are using even how do you call it? We are even giving internet as internet packages to students. Without electricity, how do you get access to all this? So the school must first run. It is somebody sika a diagrosa. It's happening for the baby.
It's so serious.
Hajing.
Mama now was say, Doctor, Mijiri say you better uncommon. So I'm more than grateful now.
Yo.
Hi, Akoma 87.9 FM. Obolo, who do you school fees there?
I could feel me school fees there. Now, me, I don't know me try my